Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming, and today we are going to make a Python program to reverse a number. Okay, so first we will take the input a equal to int input, and I will write here enter a here. Okay, in next line I will take a while loop, and inside this while loop I will write a condition a is not equal to 0. Okay, and now I will take another variable ram. Okay, this will give you the last digit of a number. uh, which operator gives the last digit of a number? Modulus operator. Okay, so I will write here a modulus 10, and here here I will initialize reverse equal to 0, and in next line I will write reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus rem. Okay, and here I will update a by 8 divided by 10. So see, let us suppose a equal to 234. Okay, so this the value of ram will be a modulus 10, means we will divide 234 by 10, and the remainder will be the value of ram. Okay, so what will be the remainder will be 4. Okay, so reverse equal to 0 into 10 means 0 plus 4. So the value of reverse is 4. Okay, again a will update by a divided by 10, means we will divide it by 10. Okay, so it will be 23. Okay, 2 3, yeah, 23. Okay, now the value of a is 23. So here a is not equal to 23, means the condition is true, so we will come in this while loop. So the value of ram will be 23 modulus 10. Here the value of ram will be updated by 3. 23 modulus 10, what will be the remainder? 3. Okay, so now reverse equal to reverse into 10. Now the value of reverse is not 0, the value of reverse is updated. What was the value of reverse? 4. Okay, so 4 into 10 means 40. 40 plus ram, what is the value of ram? 3. So it will be 43. Okay, now the value of reverse is 43. Here also a will update by a divided by 10 means 2. Okay, now the value of a is 2, and here a is not means 2 is not equal to 0, condition is true, so we will come here ram equal to 2 modulus 10. So the value of ram will be 2. If this a is less than this value, then the remainder is equal to a. Okay, means here the remainder is 2. So reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus 2. What was the value of reverse? The value of reverse was 43. So 43 into 10, 430, plus 2, 432, and a will be a divided by 10. What is the value of a? 2. So 2 divided by 10 to this a is less than 10, so the value of a will be 0. So a not equal to 0, sorry, 0 not equal to 0, condition is false, so we will out from this while loop. What was the value of reverse now? 432. Is 432 is the reverse of that number? Yes. So I will write here print the reverse of a is this. Okay, so I will run the code, take the value 234, the output is 432. Here the value of a is 0 because we update every time we update the value of a by divided by 10. So at one point the value of a will be 0. That's why we are that is because we are outing from this while loop. Okay, so I have to take another variable v, and I will initialize it with equal to a. So here I will write b. Let's run the code again. 234. So now the reverse of 234 is 432. Take another number, 979465. Enter. The reverse of 9465 is 5649. 5649. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.